Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and today's video I'm going to be styling my hair. So on my previous video I asked you guys to give me some suggestions on which hairstyle I should try on my hair, and everyone who replied suggested that I should try finger waves. So I've tried finger waves for the longest. Like, I don't know how many times I've tried them, but I think now because I have short hair it might work. So that's what I'm doing today. So the first product I'm going to apply is this Design Essential Foaming Wrap Lotion, and I'm going to apply it all over my hair. And my hair is a little damp, not that wet. I did wash my hair in the shower and also wet it again before I started filming, but because it's short it dries quick. So I'm applying like a generous amount of this foaming lotion. So next I am taking my rat tail comb. I'm going to part my hair. I always like to wear like a side part. So next I am taking my hard brush and I'm going to lay my hair, and Rain is here with me in the room, so if you do hear like some noise in here, sorry about that. So I'm just brushing my hair. So once my hair is laid, I'm going to add a little bit of this Styler Gel, and this one is in Crystal. So I'm done with this side. Not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side here. I don't know if adding the gel was a good idea. It's actually making it look a little bit messy. We'll see once everything is done. Just adding a little bit of mousse, so my hair is drying up like real quick. So I did the first one. I'm going to do the other side here. So they are definitely not as uniformed as I would like, but they're waves. So I'm just gonna fix the front a little bit here. Oh, my hair is already like drying. So I'm taking my Wrapp-It strips and I'm going to wrap my hair. So I just cut out the excess. I'm going to wait until my hair is dry and then I'll come back and show you guys the final results. Hopefully the wrapping didn't mess it up. So I am back now with my hair all dry. I'm going to remove this wrapping strips. I'm just using my little eyebrow scissors. Ooh, wow, I wasn't expecting that. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, did you see that? Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. I wasn't expecting it to turn out like this. Let me just show you the back quickly. Oh my god. Let me grab my mirror. Oh my god. Oh my god, I did it. Oh my word, I did it. Like, this looks amazing. Wow. Even though my part is not that showing very well, but everything looks amazing. Wow. I wasn't expecting it to turn out like this. This is amazing. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, even the bag. Oh wow. Sorry, it's just that I've been trying, like I tried so much, especially when I had my pixie cut. I tried so hard to do these waves and I just couldn't get them right. Oh my god, this is amazing. Wow. Oh my god, look at the top. Like, I am on cloud 9 now. I didn't think I was gonna ever achieve this hairstyle. And this looks amazing. It's not 100% perfect, but this is amazing. And thank you so much to everyone who suggested that I should try finger waves again. To be honest, I wasn't gonna do them because I've tried so much and I always fail every time. I wasn't gonna try them, but thank you so much for pushing me and motivating me and like pushing me to do them, and now I did it. I am so proud of myself. So thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to enable the notification bell so you don't miss new videos from me. And do let me know any other hairstyles that you would like me to create. So I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.